Diet plans to lose weight fast have been created since time immemorial for people who want to maintain a certain weight without starving. Meanwhile, some use them to fight off unwanted pounds. This idea is definitely correct, because crash diets and starvation diets are never sensible. Before we get started, don't forget to check out our recommended diet program to lose weight fast in a short period of time. You can check it out using the link in the description below. Selecting a diet plan to lose weight ASAP can be a bit tricky, as there are plans that promise weight loss of as much as 15 pounds a week. A dieter should be level-headed enough not to join the bandwagon of these diets without careful consideration. A balanced and complete diet is still a priority even for people who want to lose weight fast. In addition, goals should be realistic to make the dieter's drive and momentum ongoing, without anyone getting disheartened because of goals that are difficult to attain. Diet plans to lose weight fast should include a commitment to eating 6 small meals every day. This allows the curbing of food craving, because every 3 hours, the dieter is eating something. Also, the dieter must plan ahead, which includes packing the meals the night before. The dieter's resolve becomes stronger once he or she realizes the amount of effort he or she has put into the preparation of meals, which would, in turn, allow him or her to stick to the diet plan and lose weight faster. Alas, a simple counting of calories that should be at least 500 calories lower than what the body needs would be enough planning. Too many details will only spoil the momentum. A dieter must also consume food at a slower pace. It is scientifically proven that it takes for the brain 20 minutes to receive signals from the digestive signals that the latter is full. Thus, eating slower would allow the transmission to happen without the dieter stuffing too much food already. A diet for fast weight loss will never be successful without proper food selection, as explained in our recommended diet program. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low on non-fat dairy products should always be a mainstay in these diets. Anything less than that is tantamount to starvation. The good thing about diet plans to lose weight fast is that it allows the dieter pretty much anything when it comes to fruits and vegetables. Thus, the dieter can claim boredom or lack of variety in his or her diet. Some creativity in selecting fruits and veggies can go a long way in taking those inches off. You can lose weight, shed pounds easy and fast. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated, boring, or even hard. Check out our recommended diet program that's guaranteed to help you lose weight fast and easy using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.